Just be there. 1, 2, 3. Train coming. Oh, I forgot to take that. Missed it. Tell you somewhere else.
Take that yellow board.
Yeah. Our group is here.
Second class.
Hello, Mr. Aditya.
So we are in the 11th episode. It's 8:50 p.m. on the 26th of December. So we have reached Valsad altogether,
Time is right over there. Yeah, continue.
and
This is our place.
we're waiting for the bus.
21st annual Atul conference.
51st.
Yeah, 51st.
And Valsad seems cool at this time of the night.
Waiting for a bus.
We are waiting for our bus.
People laughing for no reason.
Very excited and very boring. So this is me, Aditya KP, signing off with cameraman Furqanuddin Mohammed Azvi. Valsad Garcia.
Chalo, everyone.
Everyone boarding the bus.
Yes.
This is me, Aditya KP, outside Valsad station.
And there's urgent to go in.
Urgency is.
There are 2
urgency
boxes.
Time is required. We are all acting cooliwalas without.
Aditya. Welcome by this Rangoli.
Cut, rapid, dude.
Fine, I'll just take the place. Big campus. That's the Princey, I guess.
No, this is Ati head. Oh, look. Piano.
Okay, I started. At least say hi. It's your own camera.
Take the small lady.
Say hi. Hi.
Okay, this is our place. This is our place. This is where the gents living. Knock, knock. Open the door. Hello.
Who is this? Oh, please come.
Okay, 3 beds here. There's a beautiful fan here. We are taking this place hijacked only for us. Fast, there's no time. Back door, washroom. That's it.
Western court.
Western commode. Yes, this is a hammam with a shower and a geyser. These are sirs. Changing this one more room, storeroom, kitchen sort of thing. Yeah, signing off now.
So this is the interiors of the room that we checked in. And this is we signing off. It's 10:30 now.
Get ready, I'm taking. Hello, Aditya.
Good morning. Today is 27th of December. We are outside our home.
Yes.
Our home is Suvidha 16.
S16, yes.
S16, just like that, but it's 16.
This is our school bus. We'll be leaving in.
We're going to the
Breakfast for now, I think.
breakfast or the conference.
Ravishankar, if you don't mind, keep this key with you confidentially.
ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕೀನ
ನೀವು ಬೆಟರ್ ನನಗೆ
ಏನನ್ನ ಕೀ
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನೊಂದು ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Aditya, see yourself. Proper. Fine.
Take the board.
Okay, now Furqan.
Okay. Me, Furqan, yeah.
Aditya or Aditya? Aditya. Say?
Aditya.
Hey, not the name, something else.
What else?
Okay, how did you sleep? Did you sleep nice? Did you
Yeah,
sleep?
we had a good sleep, but I thought I just woke up a bit early, but it was fine.
Okay, when did you wake up?
Woke up earlier.
Hey, no Kannada.
Dude, I took bath in cold water.
Very bad. We had hot waters.
Even we had hot water. She's mad she took in cold water.
Okay.
Yeah, and how was the bed?
Bed was good. It was.
How was the room?
Room's also fine.
Food? We didn't had it.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're gonna have now. FB.
And
And that's it for now.
no, that's not it. That's not it. That's
then,
not it.
Then.
Okay, let me ask you something. Are you excited?
For the breakfast?
Yeah? I'm always excited for food.
Okay, yeah. A bit.
You?
I am.
I can never see excitement. Back to you. Okay. How was the food?
Food was not good. Upma, did you like it?
Yeah, it was okay. It's not that bad.
Okay. Not very tasty.
Never tasted Uppit before. Tell that.
What?
Was that
You
your
have
first
never
time?
tasted Uppit before.
No, I have.
She knows the word upma, right?
Yeah, obviously I know. Ma'am, tindi aita? Aitu. I asked them tindi aita. They said tindi aitu.
Is it recording?
Oh,
Man, come on. Turn it off.
sure.
You speak good Kannada, okay?
Thank you. Any comments? How I speak Kannada? See, I speak
You
nice.
speak Kannada like a child.
Yes, ma'am, we'll go.
Good morning.
Hello.
Today we are shooting our 12th episode of Journey to Modiland.
We have reached the Modiland, by the way.
Yes, we are in Modiland.
This is the campus.
The campus of Atul Vidyalaya. The time now is 9:20. Very
This
big
is the
place.
canteen.
We just had breakfast. We're leaving the canteen. Lot of greenery around. We can compare this to Lal Bagh,
Yeah, part of it.
part of it.
I'll take a video first, then the.
Ma'am, that idiot is taking a video.
I'll take a pic. Wait.
बीडीसी आप लोग जा रहे हैं?
Yeah.
तो ले लीजिए लॉग ये नंबर गाड़ी है 5 नंबर
Hello, Furqan here. We're on our way to auditorium, carrying our
Exhibits.
exhibits. People are enjoying the place. And about one incident to be said. We are just walking by, me and Achita speaking. There's this guy who comes up randomly and he says, "Can you just take off your hands from the pocket and walk? You're not in your home. You're in a school campus." And bitching on us and scolding us very badly. And what else he said? It's like he was saying all that. I said, "Okay, sir, fine." And he's even pointing out that, "What do you mean by okay? Don't drag that. You don't have respect whatsoever." And then he said, "Yeah, I'm some colonel, something." Then we got to know, no doubt why he's acting weird.
He
Then
thinks
even-
this is important.
Yeah, he has even scolded those two state board people. Yeah, just
More victims of the incident are sure to our viewers.
This is the auditorium.
Okay, now we are in the inside of the auditorium, and there's a lot of excitement. Everyone has been seated, whereas the children of Mahila Seva Samaja are busy doing whatever. They're arranging the models for the so-called exhibition. The models have taken their toll of the travel. They look less glittering as they were in the exhibition.
This way, this way, this way.
Wow,
All mathematicians, by the way.
See. Oh, wow.
Oh, you think I don't know that? I did that. That is so old.
People are excited as they have never seen the models before.
Very
Apparently, she hasn't seen it.
Yes.
Right?
No, I'm seeing it for the first time.
The box looks very big, but the amount of models inside are very less.
Oh, this is tippy top. Which color you want?
We apologize to our viewers for giving such a poor performance.
First, we'll remove everything, then we'll. Watch this. Just wait.
Committee. I have great pleasure in welcoming you all for this 51st conference. We held the Golden Jubilee Conference at Chennai last time at Hindustan College of Engineering, Padur. This time we have the privilege of conducting 51st conference at this place, Atul Vidyalaya. Now
It's your birthday cake.
Furqat.
Yes.
It's supposed to be Let's see. Hey, we can do this. Wait. Do something. Right?
Of course. See, I know something else. I can't do anything.
Government had excellence, levels of reading and math achievement, and school facilities. As a